This video is all about this rifle night vision system. First of all, I'll show you how to install it onto your rifle, and then I'll show you what it's like in action. So stay tuned and you'll see me using it at my local shooting range. Okay, see you in a sec. Okay, so this is the installation process of this camera. So I've got these weird large batteries which I've never used before. They're like double A's, but they're a lot bigger. It's 18650 if you need to use them. I think there's going to be 3. I do have a spare one if I need to. So let's just get straight into it. Let's first of all move that out of the way and open this up. So the gun's there already. So let's open this. So there's that. We've got a really large torch, obviously unscrews at the back. So we put one in there, like so. I'll put it in the wrong way. Have I put it in the wrong way? It's a strong possibility I put it in the wrong way. Oh. Okay, so I've done some investigation work, and yeah, partly me being silly, and another reason is that because they're not English batteries, the positive, which is the bit with the nipple on the end, it goes into the spring end. So I had to take the battery out, but I tried it in both ways. But because it's infrared, this is a bit why I'm silly. It's infrared. I didn't really see it because I thought it was going to light up, but it does come on. Point it forward, so you can see that. Hopefully, you can see the redness on that. I'll try on that one. So step one has the camera inside it. It's interesting. Oh, okay, yeah, switch for day and night. There's a switch there to change it between day and night. Whoa! That's why we don't have things standing up. Adjust. Well, you see, you can change that. Change the focus, is it? Adjust HD. With that there. So let's screw that back on, because that is how it's supposed to be, I think. That's why it was already like that. Then I don't know what that's for. Aha! Right, so it needs to be plugged in. Wow! That, oh my god, that's brilliant. And then, wow. And focus. Ooh, that's really cool. Can we see that if I do that? I hope you can see that. So we look at something over there. We can focus on it. We'll focus out of it. Hey, look at that. That's pretty cool. Anyway, let's not worry about that at the moment. So we know that works. That's fine. So that's all built. That's all ready to rock. So open the plastic ring sizes for different scopes for your choice to go onto my scope. And iron ring sleeve. An iron ring or sleeve. Loading iron ring mounts onto the scope, and then tighten plastic ring to the camera sleeve, rotates in mount ring. Whoa! Alright. Right, this is one of the smallest ones. Oh, that's tight. Alright. Is it also the wrong way around? tight. Okay, there we go, it's tight. So now, okay, all right, look at that. That is a massive scope now. Right, so let's move all those out of the way because we haven't done anything. I don't know what they're for. Just move them out of the way because we don't need them. Okay, so how do we mount this? So that goes, oh, that's gonna, that goes onto there. That one goes onto there. Where does it go? I suppose where I want to put it. Onto here, I think. So unscrew that, take that off. Screw these bits. It's a shame there's no, oh there is, there's a little bit of rubber there to protect the metal there. There is an Allen key. I don't know why I'm not using it. I'm going to have to stand up for this bit. Okay. Whoa. Stand up. There we go. That's easier. I appreciate you can't really see an awful lot of what I'm doing now, but just making the bracket. Get it reasonably tight. Well, it's not tight at all, but I want to make sure that we're good with this one. My goodness, this is quite a unit now. Oop, that's the wrong way around. So there's a fatter end on the bottom. There we go, that fits better. I'll do some close-ups on it in a minute and you can see what I've done. Let's just tighten this up a bit. Wait, that was nicer. Speed up. So nice just tightening this up. Okay, so that now I'll plug into there the right way, and then we can flick it on, and we got action. Okay, so this mounts on to the front, something like that. Gosh, isn't it really cool that everything just fits? And then we can slot that into, well, let's put it in first, shall we? Like that. Then all we got to do is, how do you turn it on? Gosh, that's heavy now. I think, well, you can get to it, I suppose, just about. Well, not very easy. I think I'm going to have to move this forward. Okay, so this is probably quite boring to watch. So what I'll do is I'll tinker with this. I'll make sure that it's all set up properly, and then we'll go and do some testing. So we'll do some testing during the day, and then we'll do some testing in the evening and find out what it's like at night. I'll see you in a sec. Okay, so I've had to make some minor adjustments to the previous build. I've taken this one off and replaced it with the more like tunnel all-in-one piece, which has screws on it. So I've had to put this camo tape, which they include in the packaging, which is amazing. So I've put that round my scope underneath here, so these screws don't scratch it. And so this one fits on. This one, well, it fits on. but I just couldn't get it center. It wouldn't sit right, even though you screw it up, you screw it on, it wouldn't center onto the eyepiece. So I've had to put this one on and it screws in, so it's really in position now. And also, I said you couldn't get to the power button to turn this one, to turn the torch on. All I've done is move it forward. Really easy.